All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to put a recipe in MyFitnessPal. Tonight I'm making baked spaghetti. So I have ground turkey sausage and ground beef in there, and then I have my noodles, and then all of my ingredients that I'm going to use are written down or ready to go for when I go to weigh everything out. So stay tuned and I will show you how to do that. All right, guys, so there you have it. You have all the grams that I used for this recipe. Don't judge this recipe. I am not a cook, so we just threw it together. So with this, all I did was I put my pan on the scale, I zeroed it out, and then I added my spaghetti. And once I added my spaghetti, it gave me how many grams of spaghetti was on there. I wrote it down, and then I zeroed it out again. And then I added my lean turkey sausage and my 96 extra ground beef. And then I got that, zeroed it out. So what I did, both of these were 4 ounces, and so I just cut them in half. And so it came to 1630 grams, and then I just divided it by 2 because they were both 4 ounces before I cooked them. And then zeroed it out, added my spaghetti sauces, got how much I used on both of them. Same thing with cheese, just kept zeroing it out and adding to the pan. And now it is in the oven. And we're gonna go on over to MyFitnessPal. All right, so now that we're in MyFitnessPal, we're gonna go ahead and make a recipe. So bottom right-hand corner, click more. And then My Meals, Recipes, and Foods. Go ahead and click that. At the bottom, it says Create a Recipe. So we're gonna enter ingredients manually. And then we're gonna go ahead and just name this Baked Spaghetti. And we're gonna have it serve 1 person. Now, I just found out this method and it's so much easier than trying to figure out like, okay, it's gonna serve 6 servings of 6 pieces of spaghetti and we're gonna give it to 6 people. So we're just gonna put the serving as 1. And then usually bulk import ingredients is off, but we're gonna turn that on and we're gonna just go ahead and type out everything that was on that sticky note. So 350 grams cooked lean turkey sausage. And we're gonna just go through it all, so bear with me, guys. Cooked 96.4 extra lean ground beef, and notice I'm putting cooked. That is very important, so make sure you are not skipping that step. Almost done there. All right, so organic, roasted, garlic, and one more, 114 grams of shredded cheddar jack cheese. All right, so now that everything is in, we're gonna go ahead and hit the arrow. And then we just wanna make sure that all of these look right. So 315 grams of turkey sausage, extra lean, yep. Extra lean ground beef, 96.4, perfect. Thin spaghetti noodles, awesome. Organic. I think we're gonna go ahead and change this one. That doesn't seem correct. So we're gonna search for an alternative. And this one was actually, let me just click grab it. So you can either just go through all of these, or if you have yours right in front of you. Mine was the True Goodness by Meyer. Whoops. So you can just put it up front. True goodness. Perfect. And it was this. We're going to change that to 1 gram, and it was 6.19. Check. So when I first typed it in, or when it was first in here, it said like it was like 3,000 calories, and that was wrong. This seems about right. Everything else looks super good. I might go ahead and change this one as well. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and change this one as well. And sometimes it is a good idea just to like change them all to the exact one that you had. So that was 1 cup. So half a cup is 125 grams. I know that because I'm looking at the nutrition facts right now. And I used 485. So we're going to do 485 divided by 125 equals 3.8 half cups, okay? If you have any questions on that, let me know. But all I did was look at the nutrition facts, and it said like serving size is a half cup, and then parentheses it said 125 grams. And so what I did was just took however many grams that I did use, which was 485, and I divided it by the 125 to get the 3.88 cups. Cool. All right, everything looks super good. So do you see down at the bottom it says 4,302 calories per servings. So that is for the whole entire pan. We're going to hit the arrow in the top right hand corner. So the serving size is actually what we had in grams. So on that sticky note that we have, that is going to be all of your grams added up. So 315 plus 315 plus 1,030 plus 619 plus 485 plus 114 equals. So this is your serving size. So 2,978. So that's what we're going to put here. 2,798. I think that's what it said. Nope, 978. Yep, cool. So now we're going to save it and log it. Sorry about that, guys. So when we have a serving, like I said, you're going to have your plate, and you're going to zero it out on the scale, and then say you have 400 grams of it, because the one serving is for 1 gram. So we're going to have 400 grams. We're going to check it, and that is how we are going to log it. So now we're going to hit the check up top. So yeah, it logged it in my spaghetti, or in my breakfast. So baked spaghetti is right there, 400 grams of it, and there you have it. Hope this helps, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.